Hi, good morning. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Annabel Padoy, 43 years old. I have a live-in partner. I have two children, 2 years old and 22 years old. I finished nursing assistant. I have 4 brothers and 3 sisters. I am a youngest and I have an experience in Singapore 2 years, 2014 until 2016. I served couple and one child, infant until I finish my contract in Taiwan. I 2017 until 2019. I take care elderly, bedridden, dialysis patient as well. I cook also Chinese food, steamed fish, steamed vegetables, also clean the house, laundry, and everything.
And now, do you have any experience here in the Philippines?
Also, I work as of now. I work in the public hospital in my province as a nursing assistant. I taking about a child, infant. I take care also the elderly. Um, I also take care. I assign also in the dialysis center, also the ER and everything.
Okay. So, if ever you want to work in Hong Kong, how about take care of your two daughters?
My live-in partner.
Aside from your live-in partner, who will take care of them?
I have a daughter also, the eldest.
Okay. And also, you have some siblings also, right?
Yes, I have.
Okay. So, if ever you work in Hong Kong, are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes,
If the newborn baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check the diaper if it is wet and sing a lullaby, then feed, and I will check the temperature also.
Okay. Do you know how to taking care of the bath of the baby?
Yes, I will
What do you need to prepare?
look for water, soap, then um, well, and I want to figure the eyes, nose, ears, and mouth.
Okay, not to spill without her, right?
Yes,
Okay, so if ever the baby or children is naughty, can you handle it?
yes, mom and sir.
What did you to do them? Do you have a long patient for them?
Yes, mom and sir. I know.
Okay. Do you know how to teach them count numbers and learning alphabets?
Yes, mom and sir.
Okay. Why do you have to come in Hong Kong?
I need to work at Hong Kong because I need to pay the school of my daughter, the eldest daughter.
Okay. If ever you will go in Hong Kong, so when you if uh, you face the homesickness, how can you avoid it?
I asked my employer to call the Philippines so that my sickness will gone.
Okay. Are you scared dogs and cats?
Yes, I'm scared.
Okay. Do you have any allergy?
No,
Do you have tattoo on your body?
no,
Okay. Do you have any food allergy or any detergent?
no, mom and
So do you have any allergy, right?
no.
Do you clean the car without extra pay?
Yes,
Can you do not do your holiday, but employer pay you? Are you willing on it?
yes,
Are you willing to cut your hair short before you come to Hong Kong?
yes, mom and sir.
Okay. If ever there is an elder person in your employer house, are you willing to work with it?
Yes, I am willing.
Okay. Lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
My future employer, I am honest, goodness, and I am
And you finish your 2 years contract?
yes, I will.
Okay. Thank you. See you in Hong Kong.
Thank you, mom and sir.